The National Sports Authority, you can say NSA for the Krata Babontin on the data of Mary Opin Stadium, I find about Yara Sports Stadium, the home venue of Kumasi Asante Kotoko, a date bank, details and more no ewaha, but the Ebro Super 24 TV no so. Now Kumasi Asante Kotoko nimse oko Karela United. Na meno kase Kotoko abedru Kumasi. Yes. Na obedru Kumase no enhyehyɛ ya Kotoko de agu akwan mu no ete sɛn Kotoko ekɔ Karela no okodai because Tamale de emuwa nti ye pon game no 5 no na ontimi nsim kwasi ada nti oda ho enra Monday anopa na omusim from Tamale ho etu Kumase no enye kwantia nti enra the whole of the day in the course of the day na ye drive you almost safely enra nwumre umedru Kumasi a say preparation towards Kumasi Asante Kotoko next game eno ya postpone no na it was so obedru no what it means ne say next Tuesday Kotoko company for ama playing body no and technical team no a day of say there is not going to be any training for the club and for the team as well. Inti the everybody say players no be take care of no maji or my home and na Wednesday, which is a china players no resume training and only update from Kumasi Asante Kotoko camp. Now NDC for the Kratawi Ababontin. Na Krata no mo the Ababontin no. Omo confirm data omo the very open Baba Yara Sports Stadium. Now mame enkan ma or say the authority, National Sports Authorities, press release. The authority wishes to notify the general public, particularly the football community, that the Baba Yara Sports Stadium will be closed to the public effective Monday, September 10th to Sunday, October 6th, 2024. Next is a Monday, and Umutu Stadium. And yes, to September to October 6th, maybe October next month 6th. This is to allow routine maintenance works on the pitch. The authority regards any inconvenience this might cause users of the facilities. Authority regrets any inconvenience this might cause users of the facility. So, I will say, stadium or maybe 10th October. Between 10th October and Kotoko home games very 2 or 3.